Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. In the last class, I have explained up to how the two-dimensional arrays are declared and how to use the two-dimensional arrays. Now, what are the applications of that? Means the two-dimensional array is a matrix. Okay, two-dimensional array is a matrix. Now, how to do the addition of two matrices? The addition of two matrices. Okay, look here. Um, Addition of this is the first matrix. Okay, this is the first matrix, this is the second matrix. Okay, instead of here, okay, I will explain this one with NetBeans IDE with programmatically. I will share it. Eclipse IDE, not NetBeans. Okay, I will tell you here. It's not correct. From there, I will explain. Later, I will start here. You don't know a lot of concepts here. Okay, look here. This is the two-dimensional array. What is the size of this matrix? This is the initialization of matrix. What is the size of this matrix? What is the size of this matrix? Number 3.
2 by 3, sir.
Yes, very good. 2 by 3 means here this is the first row. 1, 3, 4 are the first row. 3, 4, 5 are in the second row. That is 2 rows and 3 columns. B is also 3 rows and 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay, the resultant is also, that is 2 by 3 matrix. Okay, the resultant is also 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, 1 minute. I will record. Okay, just forgot it. Okay, no problem. Just listen. Okay, look here. Now we will go to 0, 0, C of 0, 0 has finished. Then you will go to C of 0, 1. C of 0, 1 means which has incremented. C of ij means j has incremented. J has incremented means the j value has incremented. J is equal to 1. The same repeated. Now C of 0, 1 is equal to, okay, we'll write it C of 0, 1 is equal to, okay, C of 0, 1 plus, okay, next A of 0, A of 0, 0, okay, this is the K, A of 0, 0 into B of 0, 0, okay, because B of, what is the J value? B of 0, 1. This is B of 0, 1. Because of K, what is the, this is Kj, what is the J value? J is equal to 1. Okay, j is equal to 1. That's a 0, 1 position. Okay, 0, 1 position. Then you have to solve like this. Okay, finally you will get 27 additions and 27 multiplications. Okay, 27 additions and 27 multiplication. This is called as matrix multiplication. That is the intelligence. In such a way, you can provide the intelligence for matrix multiplication. First of all, before going to matrix multiplication, what is the first constraint for matrix multiplication? Two matrices are multiplied means what is the first constraint?
The
Any two
number of rows in the
Order,
first
same order, sir.
same order, can you multiply?
No, sir. The number of rows in the first matrix equal to number of columns in the second matrix.
Same order means same order is okay, fine. Same order. Without same order also you have to multiply the matrices in mathematics. 2 by 3 and 3 by 2 both are same same order. No, 2 by 3 and 3 by 2, but have the multiplication. Done the multiplication. 2 by 3, 3 by 2 also possible matrix multiplication. The first matrix number of columns is equal to the second matrix number of rows. Then you have to do. Suppose here same order means what is the problem here with the same order? Same order means it cannot fulfill the same with the same order. Suppose 2 by 2 is the, suppose 3 by 3 is the first matrix size. Second matrix size is also 3 by 3. Possible. Matrix multiplication is possible. Not only for same order. Look here, 2 by 3, same order also, you are failure. Look here, you are failure here. Can you multiply these two matrices? 2 by 3 matrices, can you multiply? No,
No, sir.
you cannot. Okay, two matrices are same order means if and only if when it is possible. నువ్వు ఎలా దాన్ని ఎలా నువ్వు చెప్పిన స్టేట్మెంట్ని ఎలా ప్రూవ్ చేసుకోగలవు? టూ matrices are same size. Both matrices are the square matrix. Two matrices sizes are equal if and only if square matrices. Both matrices are square matrices. That means not square matrices. Not at all. Square matrices is also wrong. What is the proof here? The first matrix, how many number of rows, and the second matrix, how many number of rows are equal. The first matrix, how many number of columns, the second matrix, how many number of columns. That is also wrong. ఎలా prove చేసుకుంటారు? That's not correct. Two matrices or sizes are equal means that's not correct. Okay, what is the proof there? The first matrix, what is the size of first matrix? Number of rows and columns. The second matrix also having the same number of rows and same number of columns is also false. అది కూడా తప్పు, అక్కడ కూడా తప్పే అవుతుంది అది. What is the concept here? The first matrix, how many number of columns in the first matrix, how many number of rows in the second matrix, these two are equal, then only the matrix multiplication has to be done. What is the reason here? All of you said that, your all mathematics teachers said that, okay, that is how many number of columns in the first matrix, how many number of rows in the second matrix. What is the reason the matrix multiplication done with that condition means? Okay, you cannot understand. Whenever you have to apply the intelligence, you need all these things. You need all these things. What is the reason here? These two are equal. These two are equal. Then multiplication will be done. What is the reason?
Sir, because in first matrix we are multiplying with column wise to the second matrix row wise, sir. So that should be equal,
Very
sir.
good. Take the first matrix row, any row takes the first matrix row that has multiplied with first matrix, second matrix column. First matrix, how many number of columns in the first matrix? That is, suppose 3 by 3 matrix. The second matrix is also 3 by 3. How many multiplications are required? 3 multiplications are required. What is the reason here? Three multiplications in the first matrix. First row having the how many number of columns? 3 columns. Don't consider the rows. Don't consider the rows. Whenever you are moving in the row means how many number of columns you can consider. Whenever you can move vertically, that is column wise, means how many number of rows you have to consider. That's why the first matrix rows. How many number of, first matrix, how many number of columns in the first matrix, how many number of rows in the second matrix. Because of you have to down means rows are incremented. Rows are incremented. Down from top to bottom means rows are incremented. Move horizontally means columns are incremented. Move vertically means rows are incremented. Suppose you are down from fifth floor to first floor. Vertically, the lift is moving vertically. Lift is moving vertically. Okay, you have to watch it. Okay, fifth floor, fourth floor, third floor, second floor, and first floor, and also ground floor. Yes or no? All floors are the rows. All floors are the rows in a building. All the floors are the rows in a building. Now we have to move in horizontally, having the different buildings, number of buildings. Each row having the number of buildings. Each row having the number of buildings. Okay, each row having the number of buildings means, what's the meaning? Moving horizontally means you have to visit the columns. Moving vertically means you have to visit the rows. That is the reason. The first matrix, how many number of columns in the first matrix? Because of we are moving in the row. While processing of matrix multiplication, we are moving in the first matrix, we are moving in the row horizontally. In the second matrix, we have to move in the column vertically. First matrix moving horizontally, in the first matrix moving in the horizontally, in the second matrix moving in vertical direction. Vertical direction means how many number of vertical values in second matrix, how many number of horizontal values in first matrix, these two are equal. Horizontally you can move in the matrix means you will get number of columns. That's why you can consider the second dimension. Okay, that is the second, how many number of columns in the first matrix. How many number of columns is equal to how many number of rows in the matrix, second matrix. Then only matrix multiplication will be possible. This is the constraint. Okay, this is the constraint. I hope all of you understood. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
fine.
sir.
Now I will share the Eclipse IDE. Okay, look here. Now I will write the program for whether the given number is positive or negative. Up to now, I don't show to you how can you write the programs, how can read the values from the keyboard. Never I said that. In this program, I will read the input from the keyboard. I will read the input from the keyboard. In C language, how do you read the input from the keyboard? సి లాంగ్వేజ్లో కీబోర్డ్ నుంచి ఇన్పుట్ ఎలా తీసుకుంటారు? ఏ ఫంక్షన్ యూస్ చేస్తారు? హలో, దిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఎట్ ఆల్ ఎ క్వశ్చన్, బట్ ఐ ఆస్క్డ్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫంక్షన్ ఫర్ రీడ్ ద వాల్యూస్ ఇన్ సి లాంగ్వేజ్?
Scanf, sir.
Scanf is the function, but here there is no direct function to read the values in Java. There is no direct function, there is no scanf, such kind of functions. Here you need some procedure to read the values from the keyboard. Okay, here the important thing, here the scanner is the predefined class. Scanner is the predefined class. Okay, where it is? In util package, java.util.scanner. In the Java package, in the Java language, util is the package. In the util package, scanner is the class. Here the package concept means, this is in C language also having such kind of concept, that is hash include, including the header files. Including the header files. Okay, what is the meaning of including the header files? Whenever you have to use the string.h or stdio.h in your program, you have to include that stdio.h. What is the need to include stdio.h? Means that stdio.h having some of the functions, C language having only the functions, predefined library having the only the functions. Only the functions. stdio.h, whenever I included in my program, what is the meaning? Means that library I have to use in my program. From that library, some of the functions I have to use in my program. That's why I have to include the stdio.h. Not only stdio.h, any header file in C language. Here itself, the scalar is a class means where is that class? That is predefined means you have to tell to your Java compiler where it is. Where it is, that is in the util package. Here the what is the difference between package and header file? Here header file having the only the functions, predefined functions, but package also having the predefined, but Java is the object oriented programming language. Here the package having the sub packages, interfaces and classes. Interfaces and classes. What is the name of the package here? Where is the scanner class? Scanner is a class. Where is the scanner class? Level of abstractions. Okay, levels. The scanner is the class where it is in the util package. Where is the util package? In the Java. I have to import that. There is no include here. Import. Import from the Java language. What type of package? Util package. Star means what are the different classes and interfaces and also sub packages in the util you have to import in your program. Now from the util package, what are the different types of method, different types of classes in the util package? Everything you have to access in your program. That is import. Here import in C language, what's the equivalent import?
Include.
Include. There include header files having the only the functions, but here the packages having the, what is the equivalent of header file in C language, in Java language? Package. The package having the classes, interfaces and sub packages. Some packages having the sub packages also. Okay, some packages having the sub packages also. Okay, look here, whenever I have to remove these, automatically I will get the error here, scanner. Scanner is undefined here. Scanner cannot be resolved to a type because of where it is, in which library, in which package it is not mentioned in the program. Okay, it is not mentioned in the program. Now we have to import, the error has removed. Okay, look here, whenever you need the scanner class in your program, you need to create the object. You need to create the object. I will tell you what is the, how to create the object here. This is the scanner s is equal to new scanner of system.in. System.in means, new means this is the creation of object. Okay, this is the creation of object. Okay, which class object? This is the class name. Scanner is the class name, followed by S is a object name, equal to new is a predefined keyword. Next class name followed by arguments. Class name followed by arguments. This is the predefined class. Predefined class object creation. Which, what kind of constructor, what kind of argument, this is, I will tell you, this is called as a constructor. That constructor having the one parameter, that is system.in. What is the meaning of system.in? Means which is the system input, from where you have to give the input, how can you enter the values, from where, from where you have to scan. Scan means read. ఎక్కడి నుంచి రీడ్ చేస్తారు, సిస్టంలో ఎక్కడి నుంచి రీడ్ చేస్తారు వాల్యూస్?
From main function only.
Not main function, Gangotri. From there, what is the device you have to enter the values? Which is the system input? ఎక్కడి నుంచి టైప్ చేస్తారు ప్రోగ్రామ్స్, వాల్యూస్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి టైప్ చేస్తారు? కీబోర్డ్. That means keyboard has activated by the scanner for scanner class. Keyboard has activated by the scanner class. That is the meaning of scanner is equal to new scanner. New scanner of system.in. System input has activated by the scanner class constructor. Now this is the object. S is the object has created and the system input has activated. That is keyboard has activated. Now I'll write here. I want to read the n value, int n. Okay, now I will get the value from the keyboard. How do you suppose, before that I will write the some indication, system dot out dot println, enter a number. Okay, enter a number. Now where I have to read that value, into the n. ఎక్కడ తీసుకుంటున్నాను ఆ వాల్యూ n లోకి. Now I will write it. Okay, in the S class, S is an object. In that object, what are the different types of, look here, what are the different types of methods are available in the scanner class? What are the different types of, what kind of value you have to use here? That is assigned to n means n is which kind of, this is the integer type, that means next int. Okay, this is the next int, no need to type, just you have to click whatever the method, automatically it will comes to your program. Okay, next int. Okay, now I will write it, if whether the given number is positive or negative, if n is greater than 0. Okay, I will write it here, system dot out dot println positive. If n is greater than 0, that is positive. Okay, here I don't want to use the else. Any typing mistakes, it is automatically shows the red line. Means no need to compile. You have to clear this, then only you will go for execution. This statement belongs to if. Only this statement belongs to if. This statement is not belongs to if. Because of if there is no block, how many number of statements are considered by the if? Single statement.
One.
Only one statement. This belongs to if. Now I will give the positive number here. Input is positive. Input is positive. Okay, what's the output you can expect? Suppose now I can run. Simple right click on the right click here. Run as Java application. That is the main.java. Which file you want to run? Enter a number. Enter a number means here system.out.println is executed. Already keyboard has activated by the scanner s is equal to new scanner system.in. Now we can enter the value here, that is 10. Okay, that is 10. Okay, that is next int means here whatever I can enter. Okay, here I can whatever I can enter, that value has read by n. Okay, here I am getting the problem. Sorry. Okay, positive and also negative. Positive and also negative. The 10 is a positive and also negative. Any number at a time that is positive and also negative? No, that's a problem in test cases. Suppose you can give the negative number, you will get only negative. Enter a number here. Suppose I will give 10 minus 10, I will get only negative. For positive number, both numbers you will get it. That is positive and also negative. How can you solve this problem? I said that. Tell me how can you solve this problem?
By using written.
Very good. By using return statement. Okay, now we can